The human heart is the engine of life, pumping blood every second.
It sits in the chest, slightly tilted to the left side. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles.
Oxygen-poor blood enters the right atrium from the body. It is pumped into the right ventricle, ready to go to the lungs.
The right ventricle pushes blood into the lungs for oxygen.
Oxygen-rich blood returns to the left atrium. Then it flows into the left ventricle, the strongest chamber. The left ventricle pumps blood to the entire body. Valves in the heart keep blood flowing in only one direction. The heartbeat sound comes from valves opening and closing. On average, the heart beats about 100,000 times a day. The heart supplies oxygen and nutrients to every single cell. Without the heart's constant work, life would not be possible. This is the incredible journey of blood, the miracle of the human heart.